Hello, my crochet friends. How are you? Hope you will be fine. In this video, I share with you crochet hanging granny square ideas. And these hanging granny square because of their hanging hook.
We have to make a hook on one side of crochet granny square for hanging.
These type of granny square looking so beautiful and making so easy. So I hope you like it. If you new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon. And for more crochet ideas, you can visit my description box.